everyone, welcome to Ranjusfoodfusion. I'm Ranju. Today I'm going to make artisan style grilled cheese panini or sandwich. My kids love it. Whenever I go to Tim Hortons, they always want to have it. So I tried many times at home and here I got the perfect recipe for artisan style grilled cheese sandwich. So let's go through the ingredients first. To make 2 grilled cheese panini or sandwich, here I have 4 slices of rye bread. You can use any other bread also, but I tried it with different breads also. It actually tastes best with rye bread. 4 cheese slices and some grated mozzarella. Just place cheese slice on the bread. I'm adding 2 cheese slices in each bread, just like this. Now cut the extra corners and you can add the same cheese on top of bread. Now add another slice of bread on it. Now place the bread with cheese slice on the grill. Add some mozzarella on top of each bread. Add plenty mozzarella, as much as you like. Now add parchment paper on the bread. And here is my magic tools back, stones. This will help to balance the weight of the top plate of grill and your bread will not squeeze. Just find the perfect size. It's always better to keep these stones at home. I always keep some stones at my home. These are well washed and cleaned. This takes 4 to 5 minutes in the grill. Grill it until it gets golden brown. And here it's ready. You can see how nicely it looks golden brown. Cheese is baked really well. Do not touch the stone. Remove it with the tongue as stones are really hot. Now transfer the panini in a plate. And see the magic of parchment paper? How it worked so well for baking cheese directly. Let's separate the sandwich first. And now cut each sandwich. You can see how nicely even cheese is melted inside. So this is the perfect grilled cheese panini or sandwich. Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video. And don't forget to subscribe Ranjusfoodfusion for more recipes. So this was the simple, easy and quick recipe for artisan style grilled cheese sandwich. Please try the recipe and enjoy.